Hello guys, happy Monday to everyone. And today I'm gonna show you on how I'll make my adobong pusit. For this, we need the following ingredients. For our adobong pusit, we need some, I have 1 onion here, it's chopped, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, and I have 3 green chilies. I love spicy food, so I always put some chilies on my dish. And I have 1 chopped medium size of tomato, and I have 1 lemon, so I always put also lemon for my dish, especially for meat. I always put lemon. And we need some oyster sauce, and of course we need salt to taste and olive oil. Any cooking oil that will do as well, but I'm using olive oil. And we'll be needing as well a bay leaves and some cinnamon stick and some black pepper here and star anise. For the quantities, just depend of you guys how much you require. So I dropped my bay leaves. So anyway guys, let's start cooking our adobong pusit. I have here the pan. Now we have to put our olive oil. I'm putting like 2 tablespoons of it. And now we can add our onion and our first green chili. And also we can add this bay leaf, cinnamon stick, black pepper, and star anise. Just give a good mix. And now followed by onion. And just saute until it gets translucent. And now we have to put our garlic. And just saute for just a few seconds. And then we can add our tomato. So now we have to add our tomato. And we have to add salt now so the tomato becomes soft faster, to make it becoming soft faster. That's the trick. You just have to add salt. A little bit more. And I just have to cover this. And now our tomato becomes soft now. So it's time to add I'm gonna add our oyster sauce. I have put some water in here because it's almost finished. When you add oyster sauce, make sure you don't add too much of salt because the oyster sauce has already contained of salt. So you have to be careful. So I just have to cover this this is boiling now. So this is the time we can add, our, I'm gonna put some soy sauce. Just about 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce. And we can put our squid in it. just use my hand so it's faster. And we're gonna squeeze some lemon. I have lemon here. Just have to squeeze some lemon and just give a good mix. And then just open it like this. Simmer just for 1 minute and then we cut. Now we have to sprinkle some, just sprinkle of little of sugar, just to neutralize the acidity from the tomato. So just to sprinkle a little bit, and now we just cover this and cook. So and now we have to add just 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I just want to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This is almost cooked. Let's just cook this for another 5 minutes. And now let's check. Ooh, looking very nice. This is done. It is already cooked. You just have a taste if the salt is okay. It's quite spicy. I love it. It's quite spicy actually. Nice. So this is done, guys. So this is how my squid adobo. It's just kind of gravy. I didn't put any water. This is just from the squid itself. So there's no water in this. The gravies come from the squid. They leaves water somehow. So guys, this is the recipe that I could able to share with you, and this is very easy and quick to make. And if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you to my next one. Bye.